Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on language structures and conventions. During this week, we have a focus on advertising. This lesson will be looking at the language of advertising, but during the week you're asked to create an advertisement. You cannot do this well if you've not thought about how advertisements are put together. That's what we shall be doing in this lesson. When we discuss an advert, teachers often talk about the AIDA principle. This idea was developed in the late 1890s and we still use it today. The A stands for attention, though I've heard some teachers say awareness, I for interest, D desire, and A action. So this formula states that any advertisement should attract attention, arouse the person's interest, stimulate the desire to buy the product, and prompt the reader to take action. Let's look at this in a little bit more detail. Attention. How does the advertiser grab the viewer's attention? He can do it with something visual or with language. And that would be a headline and the first sentence of the advert. So look at both. In the visual, there could be a significant use of color or a particularly effective image. Look at the models, look at the font, but I also think you need to look very closely at the headline, because what a headline can do is grab the attention of the right viewer, that is the target audience, so that you get the right people reading your advertisement right from the start. So the headline often asks a question that focuses on a problem or on a person's need. So you get something like, need a good English teacher, or need to improve your English marks, or English marks going down. So look for a question that focuses on a problem that the viewer might have. Or the advertiser can assume you know what your problem is and rather help you to think about a solution to that problem. So in this case, the advertiser would say something like, get a good English teacher to stimulate you and help you to succeed, or improve your English marks in a month. So that headline focuses on the target audience and attracts the right people immediately. Then the first sentence will build on that headline and will probably also be used to attract attention. And often the advertiser now focuses on a person's fears. Does your English teacher bore you? Are you afraid of failing grade 10? The advertiser will appeal very strongly to the viewer's emotions or feelings, and so will hook the viewer even further. Remember that the final aim, right at the end of all of this, is for you to pay your money. So the advertiser needs to create a fear and then show you how the product will solve your problems and end all your fears. That first sentence doesn't have to build on fears. It can also be very positive. It could say something like, if you've had need a good English teacher, you can have, our teachers are the best. And then they can go on to explain what the teachers have achieved and give lots of testimony to the fact of how brilliant the teachers are. Or after asking if you want to improve your English results, the advertiser can say, "It's true. With our teachers, you'll be able to improve your results in only a month. That's right, in just 1 month. Badi, 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 ba." So in the headline and the opening, the advertiser must grab the viewer's attention and show how his product is great. He must make the viewer feel and believe. Your task is to discuss the effectiveness of this headline and to suggest the next sentence. Pause and do that now.